Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me TCL TAB 10 Max, and now I will show you how to install and how to set up free VPN on your device. So firstly, open your web browser and check how websites see your location now. So type 2ap.io. Thanks to this website we can see how websites see our location. In my case it's Poland, and it's true. But now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Find the app with a rabbit and icon and click install. Click open, agree, click on the cross in the left top corner, and cool. Here on the top right corner, you will see the globe, and by clicking on it you can see the list of all countries you can connect to. For example, if you want to connect to United Kingdom, click on United Kingdom and select the free VPN servers. So, or you can choose smart location to connect to nearest and fastest VPN server and click OK. Wait a while and cool, we successfully connected to VPN servers. So now just open web browser and reload to ap.io web page. And as you can see, we are in Georgia now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.